There we go. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. Okay, let me know if you can hear me. Okay, should work now. Let me know if you can hear me, guys. There's some noise in the background. Where is that coming from? All right. Video's good now. Okay, thank you, TX. Appreciate you. Awesome. What's going on, guys? All right. Today's going to be nice, short, and sweet. But first, like always, want to welcome you to the Chris Show. Thanks for being here. Guys, I am working on something that we have not seen in a very long time. And potentially even something we've never seen before. Um, so still working on that. I'm really hoping because we have a huge birthday coming up this weekend. The 19th is our 5th year celebration birthday. And so we want to be sure we celebrate huge. So please stay with me this week. Pay attention because if I'm able to do what I want to do, you guys are going to go wild. Okay. But hey, you guys been requesting the Edge Enhancer 15 trading days. Here it is. So it's a flash sale going on right now. You can request a payout every 15 trading days. Here's the flash sale. Use the code FPM. It's 8-hour flash sale, so you got a couple hours left. This is on the 25K LB bundle, 3 accounts in the bundle for 85% off. And you can buy the Edge Enhancers, no minimum days to qualify. You can buy the reduced lifetime PA fee from $250 for only $90 if you qualify. Get an extra $500 on payouts. You can buy a reset discount, 60% off, and request a payout every 15 trading days. So, guys, it's going to be huge. So, give me 1 second, guys. You're going to see the screen go black. It's okay. I'm still here. Just I have to pull up my Ninja Trader real quick. So give me just a few minutes. Guys, but while I'm pulling up Ninja Trader, will you guys do me a favor? Will you guys hit the like button? Give us a thumbs up. Thank you, El Mahdi Muhammad, for saying that. Perfect. Thank you. So 1 second, guys. I know the screen is black. That's on purpose. I'm pulling up my Ninja Trader platform here, and so I just have to log in real quick and get all that going. So, guys, if you have any questions, this is the time to ask. Let me know any questions you might have. This will be a great time to go over those questions as well. So, all right. Okay, looks like I got this open. So now I'm going to share my screen again. And there we go. All right. Well, it helps if we can push this down a little bit here. You're looking at the 1 minute candles here. Let me change that to 5 minutes. Boom. Pretty active day today. I did not trade today. So this is my first time opening my chart today. It looks like the open, we had a little pre-market news apparently. Open kind of went up. It's been a little weird today. What's 624? Okay, cool. All right, so cool. All right, let's see what questions we got. Guys, also do not forget, we do have that flash sale. So let me start from the top. Let me say hi to everyone real quick. We got Renzo, S-Word Trader. S-Word Trader question, do you cycle, do you mountain bike? Just curious if you do you ride a specialized S-Word Trader? Do you ride a specialized mountain bike or cycling? Just wondering. TX, good to see you like always. Let's see. Nan Rick says, we can hear you. Thanks. Derek says, how about some weekly discounts? Derek, yeah, I'm working on something that's even better than that. So, yeah, let's see if I can get that going there, Derek. El Mahdi Mohammed says working is fine. Thanks. Good to see you, by the way. Trader Oracle says, so our payouts 15 days or 30 days? It's 30 on the site. So it's 30 trading days on our traditional accounts. And let me pull this up real quick. All right, pulling this up. Here's our website right here. Let me make this fit a little better here. There we go. Put it that way. Okay, so if you buy the foundation accounts or the bundles or the Leeloo entry, they require for your first payout 30 trading days. Your second payout it's on the last Saturday of the month, and you have to have 10 trading days in that month to request the second and third and fourth payout and so on. Right now, if you want a weekly payout every Saturday, for example, you can buy the weekly accounts. Okay, Trader Oracle. So you want a weekly every Saturday payout, you buy the weekly account. If you want the last Saturday of the month after 30 trading days, you buy this other accounts. But right now, we do have this cell right here. Let's go here. Right there. There we go. This right here that allows you to buy an edge enhancer to request. You have to buy the edge enhancer to request the 15 trading days payouts. So use that code right there to buy the account. After you buy the account, a window's going to pop up to say, hey, do you want to buy this for minimum days? Do you want to buy this? Do you want to buy this? Do you want to buy this? If you want to buy those, you can add those. And if you add those, depending on which ones you buy, it will apply to that account that you buy. And you can apply it. If you qualify with that account, you're going to get those benefits, we can say. So. Okay. Does that answer your question? Let's see. Gerald, hi, good to see you. Let me see. Let's see it. Where did it leave off? Don't forget. Like TX. Wafa says hello. What's up, Wafa? Good to see you. Daniel, what's going on? Good to see you, Daniel, like always. S-Work says, I bike sometimes, but not specialized bike. Okay. I was wondering because if you meant like S-Works, like S-Works is part of the specialized brand, so I was wondering about that. Concert Junkie says, do you trade bonds? I do not. I trade mainly the NQ or MNQ and sometimes the ES or MES. And Mohammed says, you can pronounce the H in my, but anyway, you pronounce it as long as it's with good will, then it's fine for me. Okay, El Mahadi Muhammad. El Mahadi Muhammad. Okay, thank you, El Mahadi. Derek says, awesome. Concert Junkie says, okay. Yep, yeah, I don't trade bonds. Does anybody else trade bonds? Emma Hamley says, seems like the NQ isn't moving as fast as it should, and that's actually wrecking my risk and reward ratio. Huh. Okay. All right. So, okay, cool. So, all right, we're caught up on David. Snyder says no thanks. All right, not sure what he's saying no thanks to, but cool. All right. Let's see what's going on in the trading world now. Yeah, it's let's see. Let me see here. I gotta look at daily. I like to always start with daily here. Oh yeah, we might be seeing some little slow motion here. Yeah, we're coming up to this. Just a lot of support there. Let me see if I can share my screen where you can see it actually. Oh, we got a question here, so let me ask this. Beginner trading strategy says, hi. Why does Leeloo force? Well, let me stop there. We don't force anyone to do anything. So let me rephrase that. What does Leeloo require traders to trade a minimum of 12 trading days in a month if they pay the one-time activation fee? So, easy question. If when you get a performance account, you have the option, the trader, beginner trading strategies, have the option to decide if you want a monthly subscription or a one-time fee. The monthly subscription is $88 a month, and if you buy that, you can trade as much or as little as you want. If you decide to buy the lifetime fee, we want to be sure that the lifetime fee traders trade in an active way and don't just buy it and forget about the account. So we had to come up with a number, and we decided on 12. And so we required traders to trade 12 trading days in a month if they're going to use the one-time fee. What we saw traders doing is that they will buy the one-time fee and never trade the account. Well, we still got to pay all the monthly fees. So when you have an account with Leeloo, we got to pay all the stuffs also. So what we're saying is, look, we're going to offer you this one-time lifetime fee, but you have to be an active trader. You can't just sit there and do nothing. So that's how we came up with that. So, yep. And I'm sure other companies probably don't want to be here for the long term. Everything we do, beginner trading strategies, is based on the sustainability of Leeloo for the long term. So our support, we're built, and our backing is built for long-term success, not short-term pleasure. Okay? Everything we do, from every sale we have, from every account that we offer, we're data-driven, and we're given the best for Leeloo and for the trader. So just because other companies don't do what we do, it doesn't mean that it's good or bad, maybe. It's different. But the reason we do certain things is because we want to be sure that everything we do is sustainable for long term. In other words, if a company does something and it's not sustainable, they're not going to be around. Everything we do is sustainable for the long term. Any product we offer, we can sustain that product for the long term. Any sale, any discount, any special promos, anything that we offer is for the long term. So if you're a business owner, beginner trading strategies, if you're a business owner and you have a business and you make a product or you have a certain guide or steps that you need to guide, I hope that you would do it with this mindset of long term, not just short term vision. So everything we do is a long term vision, and which is why we said, hey, if you want to keep this account and only pay a one-time fee, which in this case you could buy an edge enhancer for $90. Sorry, not that $90 edge enhancer. You could buy the edge enhancer to only pay $90 for the lifetime fee. All right. But what we're saying is like, look, we got to pay, Leeloo has to pay the fees every month on that account. So what we're just asking is we're saying, hey, cool, but you got to actually trade the account. You can't just buy it and forget about it. So go and be active and go trade. And if it's not for you, no problem. Buy the monthly subscription. So, and I'm sorry if other companies are not thinking long term, but we do. When Jody started Leeloo, she meant to do something long term focused, not just something that was going to be a short term vision. So, hopefully that answers your question. And regarding your follow-up question, says understandable, if possible, at all, consider reducing these days, maybe like 7 to 8 days. We did look at all the options, and that's how we came up with 12 days. So now, does that mean that you can't go on vacation and you can't get sick? No, just email us. Be like, hey guys, I'm going on vacation. Now, again, if we see patterns, okay, like we see a pattern that you take a vacation every single month, then we're going to tell you, hey, no problem. We're going to switch you over to a monthly subscription. So, but no, just again, common sense, communicate with us, email us if something is up. All right, let me see. Hopefully that answered your question. Let's see what else is going on here. Let's lose my spot. There we go. Nan Rick says, thank you, Chris. You do an amazing job Keep going. It's a pleasure for me to be part of this community. And Rick, thank you so much for that kind words. Glad you're a part of the Leeloo community as well. Let's see. AN, in light of some Forex and CFD prop firms closing down, are futures prop firms structured differently to mitigate research risk? I always wondered the huge risk you take when the traders just move to fund it. AN, great question. I'm so glad you asked that. So let me clear up some stuff real quick. Some words you're using that are not quite accurate, and not that it's your fault. It's just kind of like other companies use those words and they're not accurate, and so it becomes standard. So first of all, Leeloo Trading, we're not a futures prop firm. Okay, so we're not a prop firm. All right. If you look everywhere on our website, nowhere do we say that we are a prop firm, and that when you qualify on a practice account, we move you to a live account. Okay, we do not. Here's what we do, and here's why we're structured very different. So first of all, there's two sides to that question. The forex markets are not centralized regulated, right? And the futures markets, right? They are centralized regulated. That's one of the biggest difference. So futures, big regulation, very little room, if any, for any kind of fix on changing prices or manipulations or anything like that. Okay, so just being in the futures market versus the forex, it's a huge difference. But Leeloo, in addition to those big differences, we're not a prop firm. We never mislead our traders, and we never intend to purposely mislead our traders and letting traders think that we are a prop firm and that they're going into a funded account. Instead, we are very clear to tell traders that you are always trading simulated funds. You practice on your practice account, your simulated funds. When we move you to a performance account, there's different things that we do that we don't always share with you individually, the trader. We have the option to copy trade your trades. You will never know. We have different things like that. Now, we also have the opportunity. Let me stretch this is just so you know, this is daily. We have the opportunity to move you to the Leeloo Elite account, aka the Super Performance account. Now, over time, we have done this in the past, and we don't do it very often for different reasons. We could open and give you a funded account, but that's way down the road, and that's more rare. The reason it's more rare is because most people, when we do put them in there, don't tend to do well. Keeping them in the same format they've been on, and the practice account, the performance account, and that simulated funds, they have tend to do well. Now, the money you make on those simulated funds on your performance account, you are eligible for payouts. So, and that's how we've paid out thousands and thousands of traders. So, but what makes us different, again, is two things. Forex is not centralized regulated. Futures are. And we're not a prop firm. Everyone on our website, we're very clear about who we are and what we do. We're a software company that provides an educational platform for traders to come and practice their strategies with the potential of getting real payouts. Okay, so and we have this one of the. I can't speak for any other company, but our backend is so strong. We have a lot of behind us. We have the strength, and which is why we are data driven. Everything that we do, like I said, if you request a payout, you're going to get a payout if you meet all the steps and guidelines. That's simple. So, yeah. So everything we do is long-term focused, long-term. So now, does that mean we're always going to be the sexiest company out there? Maybe not, because sometimes it's not sexy to be smart and long-term focused and prudent and know how to be sure we want to take care of you, not just today and not just tomorrow. We want to take care of you 5 years from now. And to do stuff like that, you're not always going to be the loudest person out there. So yes, We may not do everything other companies do, but I assure that everything we do, which a lot of times other companies copy us on, is long-term focus. And so we have, and when I say we, I want to be very clear that give Jody all the credit she's due. Jody has done a phenomenal job at leading the industry in a way that other companies just copy everything, pretty much everything we do. So which is fine. I think that's a way of a huge compliment. The funny part is that they don't know why we're doing things that we do, and so they don't really understand the long-term focus and how to handle that. But that's up to them. I want them to do well. I'm not cheering. I'm sorry. I'm cheering for other companies to do well. I think there's enough room for everyone. And I think it's just better for traders to have more options out there. That's always that's fine with me. I like the competitive market. But I just know that everything we do is long term focus. So hopefully that answered your question. Let's see here. All right, I think that's all the questions I would have to answer. If I missed anybody, let me know. Okay, so looking at this chart real quick, price came down to this zone, nice bounce out of it, a little boom. The question is, are they going to go break this and make a new high? Slowing down a little bit. They're getting a little tired. They're going to have to break through this. It's going to be interesting. Right now, I'm in a position that I'm not going to trade, personally. And I'm going to wait. I want to see what they're going to do here. So that's why I didn't trade today. I'm not trading until they come back into this area. Or if they break this, I'm going to make a decision at that point. And it says, will the upcoming discount for birthday be bigger than Mother's Day? And I'm working on something. I don't know what's going to look like. If I get what I want and do what I want to do, it's going to be, it's not going to be just a discount. It's going to be something else to it that's going to make it, I think, a huge difference, and it's going to be really exciting. Let's just say that when I was working on it yesterday, I was very excited about it. So, yeah, I think that's all I can say right now. So, also, I don't want to, like I said, I never like to mislead people or anything, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it. But if I can, it's going to be huge. Let's see. Mahadi Muhammad says, what do you think about traders who copy trade other pro traders and not trade their accounts for themselves? Well, I mean, so it's such a. I mean, thank you for asking the question. I think it's so interesting that it's. Let me put it this way. It's not only not sustainable, but it's just not smart either. You're just trusting someone else to make a decision on your potential earnings. So yeah, so it's just not smart to do. First of all, it's not. I don't think it's something you should do. But when my mentor was teaching me how to trade, not ever did he ever let me watch me copy one of his trades. Not even at the beginning. Never. And if I would have, think about this. If my mentor would have said, "Hey, just look at me trade and do what I do," right? I would have never become the trader that I am today. I would have just been like someone who I am now dependent on him. So instead, he taught me how to trade. And so learning how to trade is far more important. Just like anything else, it's like, plus, again, I don't know how you know this, people, but if you watch somebody on YouTube, how do you know they're telling the truth? And, let me tell you something. I get to see a lot of stuff in the back end, and a lot of times I see people that, advertise certain things and say certain things, but in the back end, I see they're trading, And I'm telling you, I'm like, that's, yeah, you listen, don't trust, don't easily just trust anybody that has a YouTube channel. So go learn for yourself. Take little things from everyone, learn, practice. That's what's so important to practice and try it out, and then learn on your own. And then once you do that, you will be able to sustain yourself for the rest of your life instead of, being dependent on somebody else. So how do I get a license key on Robo? I don't know what Robo is. Concert Junkie says, "Who is your mentor?" So if you go back on our YouTube videos, my mentor, I call him BK. So you will see some videos on BK. They're about a year ago. Yeah, I had him on. I haven't had him in a while. Maybe it's been about a year. Yeah. So go back to our YouTube videos. I'll see if I can do that real quick. I might not be able to. Let me see. Let me go see if I can find you a quick video on. Can you Google search? Here we go. So, oh man, it's been. I'm looking for one real quick. Let's see. Maybe I did a YouTube live with him. I thought I did a recording. Maybe it was a YouTube live actually. Okay. Yeah, it must have been a YouTube live. Let me go to live real quick. I'm doing this. Sorry, guys. Looking for this guy real quick. There we go. Ooh, demo day. Okay, let me see how I change. There we go. Here's the link. Go and watch this video here. There we go. This is my mentor, BK. There's some other videos in there also in the past, but here's one I found real quick. Guys, this is he's not on YouTube or anything. I just had him interview. He's a friend of mine. I've known him for years, and I found out that he traded. So we got talking, and I convinced him to teach me. And so we took 3 years to teach me, and we had a blast. And I'm really thankful for him. But he doesn't teach. He doesn't have anything online. He doesn't sell any products or anything. He's been trading for 25 years. And yeah, so that's all he does. Let's see, who's currently your most consistent, profitable trader? Well, we got several, but we can't share names. So, but thanks for asking. So, all right. And yeah, Renzo, will you learn from your own mistakes? Absolutely. All right. So, yeah, no, I know you were asking about somebody else or something else. I'm sure. I knew you weren't talking about yourself, Muhammad. So, yeah, it's definitely not something worth doing. So, yeah, too risky. All right, guys. Any other questions? And if you are here for the first time, will you let me know? If you're here for the first time, will you just say, "Hey, guys, I'm here for the first time hanging out"? If you can say hello, that way I know if you're here. That would be great. We'd love for you to say hi on the chat. And yeah, I'm excited about this week, guys. I'm really looking forward to our birthday celebration. So let's get to the party. All right. If there's no more other questions, I guess we can end it here. Guys, don't forget to take advantage of the current flash sale that's going on right now. So let me adjust this again. There we go. So take care of that. You can buy the H&Ns for 15 trading days. So let's see how that's going here. They use the code FPM. FPM is the code to use. FPM. All right. Let's see if is it Kuram Alai Chandri? Did I say that even close to correct? Welcome. Thanks for being here. Glad you're here hanging out with us for the first time. Renzo, you're welcome. And Mohammed says, what I am interested about is creating a trading bot to take some stress off my shoulder. You know, I have to this date, I have not seen a bot be successful. I've never seen a trader that uses a bot to be successful. So, FYI. But it does sound right. Nice, right? All right. Any other questions? Anybody else who's new? Thank you again, Karam, for hanging out with us. Hopefully, if you have any questions, please don't be shy to ask. Last call for questions before we end the stream today. Real excited. All right. Well, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us. You guys were great today. Great questions all over the board. Stay tuned. Take advantage of this sale and stay tuned for the potential huge sale. I really hope to drop it tomorrow, guys. I can't wait.